Good morning, guys. It's morning here now, around 9, almost 9 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to a lake. We call it a bill. We have a little pond there, which we've kind of like draining the water out of it so that we can catch the fish. So I'm just walking there now. It's almost done. They put the machine on yesterday evening, so it's been draining the water out all night, so it's almost done. So I'm going there now to catch, well, not to catch the fish myself, but the other's gonna catch the fish. I will just go and see. So as you can see, this is the landscape. All the rice has been harvested, and now people are they're doing the rice thing again here now. A new sets of rice. So I've been told to get to the place it's going to take about half an hour walk, which is not really true because I've been there before when I was younger. Not that famous, is bunny.
Nah.
This guy just walked past and he's saying not to take a picture of him smoking. So I said, don't worry, he'll become a famous one day. So yeah, as I was saying, I wanted to go to this Bill Lake when I was younger. To get snails and stuff for the little ducklings. So it doesn't take that long. I mean, I can see it's not far now, and it's only been like what, less than 10 minutes that we walked. So yeah. Anyway, so this is during the monsoon season. This area you see, it gets flooded with water. Now obviously it's not the monsoon season, it's the winter season, dry season. So all the water's gone, people obviously harvested rice and everything. And now it's the cows in the fields. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, guys, please do subscribe to my channel. I am in Bangladesh now, came for a visit. My family members came a bit earlier before me. I came after. I've only got 1 more week left and I'm heading back home to London via Istanbul, so I'm going to spend another night in Istanbul like I did same on the way to Bangladesh. So yeah, this is the village life. As you can see, everywhere is like green, and I would say it's pollution free because there's hardly any fume or anything like that. So it's probably the best place to stay actually when you're in Bangladesh, in the countryside. If you're going to the towns and cities, it's polluted big time, especially when you're on the roads and stuff. You'll be coughing because of all the dust and dirty air circulating around you. But the village is the best place to be in if you're thinking of visiting. So, as you can see, so green. I dropped my phone from my hand yesterday outside my room door. Luckily I had a protector, so the protector has got cracked. Never happened to me. I've dropped my phone in London so many times, but that didn't happen. But here, one slight drop and everything get cracked. Probably because of the tiles that we have on the floors. But yeah, this is you see here, people's ponds, what they do, they're washing up and everything. মাইর হরো দেখি। पता ही नहीं As you can see, this is what the local kids do. They play like this. Unlike the kids in our countries in the West, they'll be on their phone, tablets all day long. And this is what we used to do when we were young. Play outdoors. But even in this country, they've got people with phones. The ones that have phones, oh my MG, they're on the phones all the time. So Bangladesh is becoming very digital. কটা ও 1000 এটা তো কিছু আসল নাকি
ಹೌದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ
হয়
গোল করে দি ইবেন ও ভাই
ওহান তো তুই রাস্তা জায়গা
তো সাথে ভাই ঘুরাইয়া ঘুরাইয়া আমরা এমন গোল শট শাট না ভাই তে
কোন ভাই
রাস্তা করে
রাস্তা কই হবাই গেছে না নি হবাই শটটা পানি আছে নি
না পানি আছে
তো বাজাই কি আমরা
আয় আছে
আচ্ছা গেছি আর বাজার লাগে গ্যাস দিলে বাক্কাকে between the things, wet stuff. Zukas in night. So here you go, we're here in the bill now. So as you can see, the water is almost done. How big it was, and it was full of water. So here's how huge it is. It's going to take a while to fetch the fishes from here. So yeah, can you imagine when I was young, about 6, 7, used to come here with my aunties and them. We used to take snails from these waters to feed our little ducklings. And also they used to have something called, we used to call it shingrai or hingrai, which is like a little triangular shape, kind of like fruit in a way, but it's like a nut inside. So when you take the shell off, you get a white nut